Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is UK announces record drone package for Ukraine with over 120,000 systems to support frontline operations and defense. The UK Ministry of Defense has announced its largest ever drone package for Ukraine, including at least 120,000 systems to be delivered this year. The initiative is aimed at strengthening Ukraine's battlefield capabilities while supporting growth and employment in the UK defense sector. The announcement coincides with a meeting of the Ukraine Defense Contact Group in Berlin, co-chaired by UK Defense Secretary John Healey alongside German Defense Minister Boris Pistorius, Ukrainian Defense Minister Mikhailo Fedorov and NATO Secretary General Mark Rutte. The group brings together 50 nations supporting Ukraine. The package includes a range of long-range strike, intelligence and reconnaissance, logistics and maritime drones. The systems are described as battle-proven and deliveries have already begun this month. UK officials said drones have become a critical component of Ukraine's operations, supporting both counterattacks and defensive efforts. Russian forces launched approximately 6,500 one-way attack drones in March 2026, highlighting the increasing scale of aerial threats. The majority of the investment will be directed to UK-based companies, including Tekever, Wind Racers and Malloy Aeronautics. The government said the program is expected to create jobs and support innovation across the UK's defence industry. In the fifth year of Putin's brutal war, the UK is stepping up further and providing the highest ever number of drones for Ukraine this year, said Healey. This big boost of battle-proven drones will give Ukrainian forces the capability they need to defend their people and fight back against Russian aggression. Healey added, "With eyes on the Middle East in recent weeks, Putin wants us to be distracted, but Ukrainians continue to fight with huge courage and nothing will distract us from continuing to stand with them for as long as it takes to secure peace." The drone package forms part of the UK's wider £3 billion military support for Ukraine this year. The government also confirmed plans to supply hundreds of thousands of artillery rounds and thousands of air defense missiles. The announcement builds on a defense partnership agreed last month between the UK and Ukraine to strengthen capabilities against emerging threats such as low-cost, high-technology systems. It also follows a £500 million air defense package announced earlier this year, including funding for NATO initiatives and missile deliveries. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @electronics technology 50.